Hello, trading is closed on July 30th, 2018. My last call was a wish list rather than a prediction. I was hoping we'd see this low, this lower target, see this price hold, and then rally to see this. Well, some wishes come true and some don't. This one didn't. We do get to see this one print. We also had these targets from last week we said would print at some time. They printed, and so now we're at a support level since the support goes just past the target. During the day, MEJT said ultimately lower and higher prices would print. We've gone far enough in each direction to satisfy this, but the morning pattern said there's a 95% chance we see 28.1457 before tomorrow's close. If we don't see it tomorrow, we'll forget it, but 95% is pretty good odds. MEJT said this drop wouldn't stick, gave a page 120 signal as a buy, another buy signal here. We haven't quite gone high enough to satisfy it, so we have a signal from MEJT that 28.1056 should print, most likely by tomorrow. Tomorrow's pattern also is the one with the early low and the late high. It's the same pattern we had here. It obviously doesn't have to rally all day, but usually it does. So we're looking for a pattern with an early low, a late high. Here are the targets. I'm not convinced that we've seen the high of this rally. If we get a good reversal tomorrow in a strong rally, which I'm not predicting, but if that happens, it's a good chance this is the low for this drop. So that's the call.